Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Pharmacypedia. In continuation with my tablet series, in this part, that is part 5, we are going to discuss about the tablet equipments and the tablet tooling. So let us begin. So in the previous session, we discussed about the tablet compression process. So when we talk about the tablet compression process, altogether is a very high speed mechanical device which compresses the tablets with extreme precision and in many shapes with lot of facilities like the printing of the name of manufacturer or any product quality or any product brand name, and it also works on the principle of the compression. So basically it is the tablets are being formed by the compression process with the help of two punches and a die. So for any one station, three things are very important, that is the two upper punches, the upper punch, lower punch and the die cavity, and the whole setup is known as the one station in a tablet press. Now tablet tooling set is a term which is used to define the complete set of the punches and the dies which can accommodate all the stations in a tablet press. So a single station comprises of upper punch, lower punch and a die cavity, and tooling set comprises of all the stations with their dies and punches set all together. So when I talk about the tablet tooling basically determines the tablet shape, size and the identification markings on the tablets. So the toolings must meet the specific requirements to satisfy the need of the dosage uniformity, production efficiency and the aesthetic appearance. So in a nutshell, you can say that tablet tooling determines the size of the tablet, shape of the tablet specifically. So when we talk about the tooling system, two standards have been established. The first is the TSM standard. So TSM is acronyms for the tablet specification manual. Now this setup is being exclusively used in United States. And second is the EU standard. EU standard is also known as the Euro standard, and this is applicable for all the European countries. So European standard is used worldwide and is also globally applicable. So based on these standards, that is the tablet specification manual and Euro standards, toolings are basically divided into two types. The first is the B tooling and D tooling. The B tooling punches and dies can be further classified as BB and BT. And the subcategories DB, BB type tablet toolings are actually based on the depending on the size of the punches and the dies requirements for any specific product. In a simple term, you can say that there are two standards. First is the tablet specification manual and second is the Euro standard. And when we talk in terms of the tooling, there are two types of the tooling, B tooling and D tooling. In broad difference, you can understand that B tooling is used for making the small size of the tablet, and D tooling is basically used for making the large size of the tablets. So apart from the large size and the small size, if we want to make the medium size tablet, they will be defined by the BB tooling or the DB tooling. Now altogether there are four types: B tooling, BB tooling, DB tooling and D tooling. So B is for the smaller tablets, D is for the larger tablets. Let us study their dimensions and other requirements in the subsequent session. So B tooling, also known as the BB tooling, the only difference is the size of the lower punch. So it is 3 inches and 9 by 16th inch. When we talk about the D tooling, its punches and dies usually have a thicker diameter or greater diameter of their body, as well as the tip of the punches with greater outer diameter compared to the B tooling. So as I have told you, B tooling is used for making the small size tablets. So the die diameter as well as the barrel diameter, which is used for punching it into the die, is small. When we talk about the D tooling, the diameter of the die as well as the barrel diameter is large. Therefore, we get the large size tablet using the D tooling. So basically, the size of any tablet is determined by two factors. First is the size of the diameter of the die cavity and the diameter of the barrel. Barrel is that part of the punch which actually presses against the die, and both the barrels meet in the die cavity to compress the tablet. So the only difference is in when we say B tooling or D tooling is the size of the barrel and the size of the diameter die cavity, which actually determines the size as well as the shape of the tablet. So when we talk generally, we prefer B type of the tooling because they are fast to manufacture. They are small in size, therefore they are fast to manufacture and they have their more productivity as compared to the D tooling. So assuming the same speed and diameter of the turret of machines and the number of stations, we could say easily that D tooling have a more manufacturing output. So you can have more number of tablets, more fast speed, more commercial products if we use the B tooling. So hardness is actually determined in case of the tooling due to the larger dwell time. So if you have more hard tablet, it will result in a lower resolution. Conversely, if it have a lower hardness, you will have a high resolution. So in this case, you can see the term written 19 mm, 25.35, 19, 25. So these are this is actually representing the diameter of the barrel. So the barrel diameter and the die cavity diameter actually determines your size of the tablet. So tablet compression machines are actually made keeping in view the type of the dies and punches that will be used on this. In this figure also you can spot out the barrel, which barrel diameter is very important, and the die diameter. The two things which are very important, the diameter of the barrel and the diameter of the die cavity, which will determine the size of the tablet. In B tooling, you have a lower diameter and lower die cavity that results in the formation of a small size of the tablet. In case of D tooling, you have more barrel diameter, more diameter of the die, which results in large size of the tooling. Now in case of BB and DP, conversely you have medium size of the tablet, since you have, according to the size limited, they are the medium size variants of the tablet type of the tooling. So the dies and the punching and their setup on a compression machine is called the tooling. So it is identified as B and D mainly. Now in this graph, you can easily spot out the sizes. So when I say the smallest type of the tablet, so will be the BB type. BB variant would be able to produce the smallest size of the tablet. The reason being, the punch barrel diameter is 19 mm and outer diameter of the die is 24 mm. After that comes the B tooling. So BB smallest, then will come the B, since B has a punch barrel diameter of 19 mm followed by the outer diameter of 30.16 mm. Then it will be followed by DB. Then DB would have 25.4 millimeter of the barrel diameter and the outer diameter of the die is 30.16 millimeter. Then followed by the D. D has the largest diameter both in terms of the barrel diameter and the outer die diameter. So if you see the barrel diameter, it is highest 25.4 millimeter, and if you see the diameter of the die, it is 38.10, highest among all of them. So largest type tablet will be produced using the D tooling, smallest type of the tablet using the BB tooling. B and DB have the average size of the dies tablets to be produced. One thing you have to keep in mind, that you have to memorize these the diameters, so that you can understand, if provided you are giving the dimensions, you can say which type of the tooling it is, or for which type of the tooling what is the size of the punch diameter and the diameter of the die cavity. Thank you so much for watching the video. In case you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do like, share and subscribe to the Pharmacypedia. The details for joining the groups have been mentioned in the discussion part. If you have any doubt or query, you can provide your views in the comment box. I would be happy to hear them. Thank you so much, everyone.